Hi, I'm Debbie Burkett from Debbie's Ceramics and Crafts in Brockway. We have all your ceramic needs. We are located at 1701A Bond Street in Brockway at the corner of Bond and Smithfield Street, just one block off of Route 219. You are invited to our open house celebration on October 18th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at our shop. We will have door prizes and lots of food for everyone. We have a wide variety of fall, seasonal, and Halloween items on display for this October season. We also have ceramics for all other seasons. Come in and paint your own decorations, or we can custom paint them for you. We have seasonal items such as for fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, spring, and the 4th of July. We have religious figurines, Native American figurines, animals, Disney figures, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Steeler football, of course, Penguin hockey, Pirate baseball, and we can do figures for those other teams if you want. If you want it, we can probably make it.
Come to Debbie's Ceramics in Brockway for all your crafts and ceramic needs.
Visit Debbie's Ceramics and Crafts at the corner of Bond and Smithfield Street in Brockway. Phone 265-8206 or 591-3534. Like us on Facebook and keep up with our events and activities.